So hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show the Coinbase adding payment method in India. If you are from India, it shows, you can see I have already 73 cents available. Make sure you have to verify your profile and ID. So click on add payment method, then click on credit and debit card. You can add working international debit card but sometimes it does not working for me. So if you are from India, then try this method, guys. If it is work, let me know in the comment section. And they are implementing the payment methods and withdraw system maybe soon. That's it for today, guys. And it's still loading, you can see clearly. You have to enter card number, expiry date, CVV and postal code. Once you added all details, click on add card. It will add to your Coinbase account. Unfortunately unfortunately you can only buy crypto using this method. Maybe soon they will add withdrawal system also. You can also earn by referring friends. Okay guys, that's it for today and thank you for watching.